Exercise 1. Standing, lateral, stretch. Latissimus dorsi. Standing, lateral, stretch. Stand in a normal position with both hands relaxed. Now keep one hand on the back of the head by bending it from the elbow. Thereafter, bend the body sidewise, right as well as left. Now repeat the same exercise by changing sides. Make sure that knees should not bend. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 2. Dynamic hand stretch. Latissimus dorsi. Dynamic hand stretch. Stand in normal position with both hands relaxed. Now stretch both the hands and raise towards the sky. Then gently drop back your hands into the initial position. Let the hands be in motion. Make sure that your upper body should not move and your head should be stable. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 3. Sitting cross stretch. Spine. Sitting cross stretch. Sit down on the floor with both the legs open in a V-shaped position. Now stretch both the legs in such a way that your toes face the sky. Thereafter, bend your body from the waist and try to touch the toes with the stretched hand. Now hold the position and repeat on the other side. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 4. Slopes stretching. Latissimus dorsi. Slopes stretching. Stand in a simple position with a relaxed shoulder and legs a bit more apart as compared to the shoulders. Now raise one hand and bend the upper body towards the opposite side. Perform the same with the other hand. Make sure that your lower body should not move at all. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 5. Narrow spine stretch. Spine. Narrow spine stretch. Sit down on the floor with both the legs stretched. Now stretch both the legs in such a way that your toes face the sky and feet join from the bottom. Thereafter, bend your body from the waist and try to touch the toes with the stretched hand. Now hold the position and repeat it. exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 6. Lying knee stretch. Rectus femoris. External oblique. Vastus medialis. Lying knee stretch. Lay down in a simple position with both the legs stretched. Bend one knee and hold it with your hands. Grip it tightly and hold the position for a while. Now relax it to the initial position. Place it gently in the normal position. Make sure that your other leg should not be bent and must be straight while performing the exercise. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 7. Bridge stretch. Vastus medialis. Pectoralis. Latissimus dorsi. Biceps femoris. Bridge stretch. Lay down in a simple position on the floor. Now place both the legs apart as shoulders. Thereafter, place both the feet close to the hips by bending both the knees. Now push your hips up straight and aligned with the upper body. Raise both the hands and place it upside beyond your head. Make sure that the neck should not bend. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 8. Ceiling stretch. Obliques. Tensor fasciae latae. Vastus medialis. External oblique. Ceiling stretch. Sit down in a kneeling position on the ground. Now bend the upper body forward on both the hands, palm touching the ground. Thereafter, curl the upper body in the opposite direction so that your both hands touch the calves. Your body forms a round shape like O. Now hold the position for a while and then grab the initial position. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 9. Frontal stretch. External oblique. Gastrocnemius. Frontal stretch. Stand in a simple position with both the legs slightly more apart as compared to the shoulder. Raise both hands in the sky properly. Now bend the upper body and try to touch the toes with your finger. Hold the position for a while, then move the body to the initial position.